Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will tell you how can we upload a Django project on GitHub. And you may ask why we need to upload a project on GitHub. Well, there are many reasons. But the very first reason is that if you want to share your code with some other developers or your team or even with the general public, you can use GitHub. And the other reason is that when we host our apps, and we want to make it online. For example, we are hosting it on DigitalOcean, or we are hosting on Amazon or Render or any other web hosting services like Azure. So for that we need GitHub, and GitHub it's a very simple way of uploading the our code on and making it online. So let's go into the practical mode. For example, if we have this project, let me just change the code. It's here, okay. And I have this project. I want to upload it on the GitHub. Now, make sure that you are in the virtual environment. And before, remember one thing, that before uploading any of your Django or any Python project, you make the requirements .txt file, and that is done with the pip freeze command, pip freeze, and then the redirection sign, requirements.txt file. Now it will create a requirements.txt file which will have all the requirements of your project, the libraries that you need for this project. So you first of all you make this project. Now in order to upload your code on the GitHub, first of all you need to have your account in the GitHub. Go to the GitHub and create github.com and create your account. Now since I already have an account, I will not create a new account. The next thing is that you go to the dashboard and you create a new repository. Just click on the new button, and over here you give the repository name. For example, I will give the repository name as, for example, Django beginners course, Django BEG course, and it is saying over here that the this URL is available. Now you can make it either private or public. For simplicity, I will make it public, so it will be accessible to everyone. Sorry, you can make it private or public. There is an option. I will make it as public. You can have a readme file, or you can just leave it. Now when I click on the create repository, it will create a repository for me. Now how can I add my files or my project to this repository? The steps are already given over here. If you see, now you can follow these steps. Some of the steps are optional. For example, I don't want this echo command. I just don't want the readme file. So the first command is get init. I'll go to my prompt. I will say get init. Now this will initialize a get repository. The next command is get commit -m, and then you give it the name of the commit. So I will write let me put it on the other side. Now the next, let me clear it. The first one was the get init command. This was the first command, and the next command is get commit -m, and then you give name of the commit. For example, you can have many commits to your projects. You can have a name for their commit. So I will say this is my first commit. And the next thing, sorry, I forgot one step, I think. Let me Now let me open my Medium tutorial for this. These are the steps. This is my Medium tutorial. I will give the link in the description. So this is actually the first thing is the get init. The next command is get add dot. Get add dot means that add everything in this folder to the get. Next we need the get commit command, and this I will just copy it. This is get commit hyphen am first version. We can give different versions. We can save different versions of our app on the GitHub. The next one is get branch dash m main. I will create a branch in it, and name of the branch is main. And the next command is get removed origin. Get removed origin, and here I have to give a name of my GitHub repository, which is this one. I will copy it and paste it over here. So get removed add origin https, and this is name of my repository. Let me just remove the camera so that you can see it. Now this is the name of my repository. This is the next command, and the last command is to get push origin master. Sorry, get put origin main. And it will push everything on the main branch. Now let me see what is the effect of these commands. So if I go to my repository, I click on the repository, and you see all the files have been added to my repository. Now you see this is all the folder. You see the folder over here. This folder structure, the entire folder structure has been uploaded to my GitHub repository with the time of upload. For example, this is uploaded. There was no there was no readme file. So this is the structure. Now we will use this repository. We can use this repository to share our code with our students. I will share it with you. Now this is the code. This is all the code. For instance, this is my app folder. This is the templates folder. This is the base.html. So everything that I wrote over here, it is now available on GitHub for the public. Now in the next lecture, I will tell you how can we use this GitHub repository. You go to the repositories. How can I use this GitHub repository to upload or to host my app on a live server like render.com or some other servers. This I will do in my next lecture. So this was all about it. So please don't forget to like the video, because when you like it, you tell YouTube to make it available for other people as well. So if you like it, many other people can also take help from this video. Thank you very much.